Good morning, it's June 24th, 2025, and I'm meteorologist Pew, and I'm going to let you know what's up. So today we have two things going on for us. We have severe weather in the Eastern Rockies all the way to northeast coast, but we also have a huge flash flood risk for New Mexico and the Midwest. So the biggest risk for today's severe weather is large hail, up to 2 inches in diameter, but there's also a small risk for tornadoes and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Taking a look at what we have in the surface, we have a really elongated low all the way from Canada, stretching a cold front boundary layer all the way to Colorado, where it's connecting to another low. And this stationary front right here is going to be the major reason why there's going to be a lot of flash flooding in the Midwest. But also over here in New Mexico, you notice that there isn't a cold front, and instead there's a dry line. And what's happening in this situation is this dry line is almost acting as if it is a cold front, because even though that the west and east side of New Mexico are both in similar temperatures, the west side is a lot more dry than the east side. And when this boundary layer comes through this dry line, warm dry air is denser than warm moist air. And what that means is that warm dry air is going to wedge itself down and pushing the warm air, more moist air up. So looking at the HER model right now at 17Z, which is 12 p.m. Central Time, what we're going to have is storms are going to start develop this afternoon. So this is 2 p.m. Central Time or 1 p.m. Mountain Time. You see storms are already popping up in Wyoming, Colorado, and New Mexico, and even in the Midwest. And throughout the day, we're going to have isolated to scattered thunderstorms all the way into the next morning. So now this is tomorrow at 17Z or 12 p.m. Central Time. And last but not least, let's not also forget the heat wave that's still persisting, especially in the south and eastern part of the United States. It's going to make the heat indexes feel like, so this is 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 107 in Virginia. I can't see this number. This is probably 100 and something. 107 in North Carolina, 103 in Boston, 103 in Connecticut. So if you're going to be outside, please hydrate, be in the shade, and if you don't have to be outside, then don't.